about emergency vehicles. Ambulance. It carries sick or injured people to hospitals. Doctors and nurses give first aid inside. It has a siren and Red Cross signs. Fire engine. Fire engine used to put out fires in buildings and houses. It carries water, hoses and ladders. Firefighters travel in it to save people. Police car. Helps police reach crimes and accidents quickly. It has loud sirens and flashing lights. Keeps the city safe by patrolling the roads. Rescue helicopter. Used to save people from mountains or seas. It can land in difficult places. Carries patients quickly to hospitals. Fire helicopter. Flies over forests and drop water on fires. Helps control big wildfires from the air. Coast Guard boat. Saves people during sea accidents or storms. Patrols the sea for safety. Rescues sailors and swimmers in danger. Search and rescue truck. Carries special tools to find missing people. Used during earthquakes or disasters. Strong enough for rough roads. Bomb disposal vehicle. Used to carry and control explosives safely. Protects people from dangerous bombs. Has special robots inside. Flood rescue boat. Helps people trapped during heavy floods. Moves easily on water-covered streets. Carries many people to safety. Mountain rescue vehicle. Strong vehicles for rocky and snowy mountains. Helps in climbing rescues. Carries ropes, trenchers and first aid. Air ambulance jet. Flies patients over long distances quickly. Works like a flying hospital. Saves lives during faraway emergencies. Wildfire response truck. Special truck for fighting forest fires. Carries water and fireproof equipment. Keeps forest and animals safe. Emergency utility van. Carries rescue workers and tools. Used during accidents and disasters. Works as a quick support vehicle. Snow rescue vehicle. Moves easily on snow and ice. Used in snowy mountains to save people. Can carry patients through frozen areas. Emergency command vehicle. Works like a mobile office for leaders. Control rescue teams during big disasters. Has radios and satellite phones. Tow truck. Removes broken or crashed vehicles from roads. Helps clear the way for ambulances. Prevents traffic jams during accidents. Paramedic motorcycle. Small and fast medical vehicle used in heavy traffic areas. Carries a doctor or nurse with first aid. Water tanker fire truck. Brings extra water to fire scenes. Useful when there are no hydrants. Supplies water to other fire engines. Emergency ladder truck. Has a tall ladder for high buildings. Helps rescue people stuck in tall places. Carries firefighters safely to the top. Emergency drone. Flies over disaster areas to check quickly. Takes photos and videos from the sky. Helps rescue team find people faster. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel.